In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zoom-through text intro in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or new to creating content, Canva makes designing professional quality videos a breeze. And today, we're going to dive right in. First, let's start by opening Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, you'll need to set up an account, but it's free and quick to do. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of template options. For this project, we will need to create a design specifically for video, so click on Create a Design and select Video from the options. This setup will give us the perfect parameters for our intro creation. Next, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. From there, add a square shape to your canvas. Don't worry if it looks small at first. You'll need to adjust the square to cover almost the entire canvas area. This will serve as the background onto which we'll later overlay our text. Now it's time to add your text. Click on the text option, found on the same left-hand toolbar, and choose to add a heading. This heading will be the main text that you want to highlight at the beginning of your video. Go ahead and type in the message or title that you wish to use for your zoom-through intro. This could be anything from your name or brand to an episode title or theme. Make sure it's eye-catching and concise, as you'll want viewers to immediately grasp your intro's focal point. Select the text box you just added so that the text is ready for the next step. Now save this composition as a PNG file. It's important to note that you'll want to save just this text and background combination as a high-quality image file. Once saved, upload the PNG file back into Canva. This might seem a bit roundabout, but trust me, it allows for more flexibility in the animation process. With your newly uploaded image, you can now add the video you wish to use as your background. Simply drag and drop your video below the image layer on the timeline. Take the image you created earlier and layer it over your video. With the image layer selected, navigate to the Effects panel, where you'll find the Background Remover tool. Use this to eliminate any unwanted parts of the image, leaving just the text visible over the video background. The finishing touch is to give your text some motion. Select the transition options and choose Match and Move. This will create that smooth and dynamic effect where it feels like the camera is zooming through the text into your video content. Once you're happy with the result, click on the Share button. Don't forget to select Download and choose the MP4 format for the final video file. That's it! You've successfully created a sleek, professional-looking zoom-through text intro using Canva. It's ready to be shared with the world.